In this video, I'm going to show you how to export animation in Adobe Fresco. Now to do this, first you want to create your animation. I have a simple one over here. As you can see, nothing special, but still it's an animation. It's going to work. Then you want to go to the top right and click on this button, which is the share button. And then you want to click on publish and export. Now in here, as you can see, you have four options. You want to click on motion over here, and then that's going to allow you to basically select your file name and then the format as well. So you can do MP4, GIF, or PNG sequence. I'm going to keep it as a MP4 right now. And then of course you can select if you want automatic or web ready. And then from here you can select the amount of loops. Now whenever you've done this, click on generate frames and it's going to start generating the frames for you. And there we go. You have your video or whatever you've created over here. And then just click on export at the bottom right. You'll be able to pick your folder. I'm going to pick this folder over here and I'm actually going to rename it. So I'm going to name this one animation Fresco, like this, for example. And then what I'm going to do is just hit the save button, and that's really all you have to do. It's going to say export complete, and you can now find it inside the folder or file wherever you saved it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.